Okay, so you supplied me with these two meshes. You didn't supply the texture, so I'm gonna make them myself. I did notice that when looking at your material IDs that you had 3 IDs, which I'm guessing you were applying 3 materials to the mesh, and I wouldn't suggest that. Because every new additional material you have to apply to a mesh means that the mesh has to be redrawn, so draw calls. And this mesh would have 3 draw calls, and they would add up quite fast when you add more and more and more of the same meshes. So I'm gonna make a small texture myself. I'm gonna make a new one, random size, 2 by 2K should be fine. And I'm gonna use this for the top and the bottom parts. As you can see, this texture is actually quite small. So I'm just gonna duplicate it 4 times, yada yada yada, real quick. Combine them. There we go, a little bit faster. There. I could use some other tools to do this, but just so that you can get an idea. I was using the, what's it called actually? The helium brush tool. When you hold Alt, you can just copy paste with texture and place it around. There. Now I'm only going to use a small part, so I don't need to fix everything. And as you can see, it's already looping, and I want to get rid of that a little bit. So I'm just gonna probably get a bigger brush like that. Make sure that the top and the bottom parts, that's the only part I'm going to use, don't look as repetitive, that's the word. Okay, that's the bottom one, it doesn't look as repetitive anymore. Now the bottom part, I'm gonna just drag it around a few times there. And that should do it. I'm gonna, just in case, save it because my computer likes to crash when I'm recording. Photoshop, no, not PDF. Damn it, Lowe's. Okay, save. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the bricks. Wait 1 second. I need to top 2, bottom 2 there. Click that. New layer. Put it on the bottom. Actually, don't need to make a new layer, but okay. It's because I want to move quick. I make mistakes. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller, like that. It sort of looks nice. Let's just do it like this. Copy and paste it around a few times. There. And I want to make sure that there's no weird edge like this. Let's see. Move it like there. It's a bit over the top and the color's not correct, but just so that you can get an idea. Okay, this is the texture we're gonna use. I'm not gonna add the normal maps yet. I'm gonna save it as the PSD and save as PNG. Because why not? Well, tests. Tresor 111. Why? I have no idea. Reasons. Okay, now that's done. I can close Photoshop and let me open this. This is all the material stuff that you had. And oh my god, dude, you were using this much? Okay, no, too many draw calls. That's 7 draw calls. In the worst case scenario. Okay, material. Where's standard? Standard diffuse, standard bitmap, desktop, walls order. There we go. Gonna apply this to the mesh. Obviously, it's not showing. Okay, there. Nope. The fuck is going on? Ah, there we go. Okay. Hello there, pretty. Okay, I can already tell that the bottom part will be way off because it's bigger than I expected. But you can forgive me for that, I guess. If not, call a lawyer. Okay, first I'm gonna do this part. Unwrap, open the VW, editor, and check out the texture. Please don't crash. I would really appreciate it if you don't crash. There we go. I guess I selected more than I wanted to. Yes, of course. There. I can definitely tell that it's quite slow because both Poly Unwrapper and another tool I'm using don't really like recording. So let's move it like this. And in the options, preferences, I can make more tiles. Come on. Yeah, Poly Unwrapper really does not like recording. It even warns you when you install it, and it's even on the website, but okay, come on. This is taking ridiculously long. Yay for Open Broadcaster, being very slow. Woo! There we go. I'm gonna make this smaller. About there. About there. And I should actually probably just do a quick peel. I'm gonna get this result, but since I want that there, it should look fine-ish. There. I'm not sure why you even would want to do these pieces because I doubt you'll ever use them, so you could even remove those polygons. But okay. I'm just gonna do this side. I mean, that should be enough. Then we get these two. This will probably give me a bit of an issue because it's an angled edge. But let's see what we can do. Let's just start with a cleaner web. Open the editor. There, go away. That'll probably make things a bit easier. Oh man, so many weird stuff flying around. There, makes it a bit cleaner for me. Okay, this edge is probably that, yeah, and it should be snapped to this, which is now looking really ugly. There. Gonna make this horizontal. Oh no, not vertical, horizontal. More vertical. Yeah, vertical. There. Let's select these and make them horizontal. There, obviously it needs some loving, especially because it's way big. Okay, show the texture again. Since you want to automatically align everything to world space, then it doesn't really even need to be that perfectly done. But for the user's sake, let's do it. As you can see, there will be some stretching here, but that's a price you have to pay for this kind of stuff. You can obviously make a seam here, but personally I would just add another detail, small pillar thingy on the edge here, which also adds more depth, but that's for other stuff. Now let's see this stuff. What's that? Need to compel. Obviously, that won't work. There. Then since the square, I can probably press that button. Yeah. Okay, like I already said, this is a bit too small for this height, but it's just a showcase example, right? It doesn't have to be ultra perfect. Again, there will be some stretching here, but that's the least of my concerns at the moment. Okay, these parts you will probably never use, so you can actually choose to delete them. You don't have to, but if you don't see an edge, and I would always cover those up myself, I would actually just remove them. I mean, you would only use this side, I'm guessing, so why would you even want to use this? So, there. Okay. If there are any reasons for why you would use that, then just look at what I did, learn from it, and apply it to all other sites, and sizzles. Why are you not using ignore back facing and by angle? I have no idea. Okay, something that is important actually is to make sure that these two. I'm not even sure if that's really needed, but just to make sure. Let's be really lazy. Take these four there. Let's see to which point this ends. Which thing? Oh, I'm actually selecting the wrong one. Yeah. Oh, is it? There, and this should probably. Oh my god, you're using the meter stuff. I have no idea what the meter stuff is doing. I never use it like that. I don't know why. Flip meter should be enough. There. And yeah, it's not looping at the moment, but trust me, it will. I'm not going to use the exporter tool, so I'm just going to export them manually. Export selected, desktop, epic wall 1, save, yada, okay. Move these to 0, 0, 0. Export selected, wall corner, there, okay. Done with 3 is next step. Let me save it just in case, and close it. There we go. Okay, because it's the PSD, yeah. Bye. Let me open bitmap tool material. And something made a weird crashing sound, but no. Presets load file, the Luos thingy, and then I have to select it here again. It loads an old texture of mine, and the main input. There, it's 2K texture. And in 3D it will look. Hey, come back! Where did you go? Come on, stupid tool. This. Well, that looks fine enough for now. I'm not really happy with this because I should actually draw in a small edge here in Photoshop to make sure that that looks like an edge, but yada yada yada, you know how to do that, of course. If not, too bad. Export on the desktop, base name, lolzor, and then let's see. Base color, roughness, normal, and AO. I never use AO myself, but okay. Let's see how it works. I probably did something wrong. Because now they're all saved as lolzor, I guess. Oh no, that's actually doing fine. Did not expect that. Okay. Text nou 1 base. Select this. Yes, this is all a bit chaotic, but I am chaotic. Roughness. Rough. AO. And this is the normal. Okay, move them together. There, there. I could actually already delete it, but let's not do that, just to be sure. Close. Bye bye. Move them to my other desktop and go with the Unreal Engine stuff. Library. Do I have the particle one? No, of course not. I'm gonna regret this in the morning. The video is already 18 minutes long. That will be fun to upload. New projects. Blank. Without the starter content. Maximum quality. Desktop. Yada yada yada. Derp. Create project. Derp editor. That's something to get out of bed for. Content browser, yada yada yada. Okay, import desktop. I'm gonna import the epic walls and the textures. I'm missing my over here. Okay. Import auto-generate collision, sure, why not? Remove degenerates, yeah. Generate light map UVs, yes, because I did not do that. One convex, yeah, sure. Import normals and tangents, because reasons. Don't import the materials, don't import the textures, miscellaneous over it. Yeah, import all. Import a multi-texture AO. Bestest folder ever. I don't want real-time thumbnails. I don't want this freaking sky to automatically move its real-time. Yeah, disable. All the textures should be fine, besides the normal map probably. World normal map. TC normal map. There we go. I probably have to invert the green channel. I'm not sure, but most of the time I should. So. Saving packages. Thank you. Save all, just to be sure, not the level. You can skip to, I have no idea, the 22-minute mark? Don't know, it's already done. Don't skip to the 22-minute part, you might miss stuff. Okay, master material, wall text, 1, master. There we go. And content browser, I'm gonna drag those in. Oh my god, it's possible. Yes, it is. I really hope all the sound stuff is coming through correctly, because if not, I'm talking to myself. World aligned normal and world aligned texture. There you go. Texture object. Oh yeah, I should actually have texture objects. Parameters, because reasons. Diffuse text there, and this will be non-text, and this will be norm text text. Okay, cool. Rough text text. I'm not sure why it's text text. Let me fix that. No. Rough text and normal text, and for the fuck of it, AO text. There we go. World aligned and world aligned normal. I'm gonna use these later, which you'll see. Let me get the normal one. There, and then go to on and there. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Lol. It should only be in XY texture. Normal. Let me select one of them. Mesh. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's looking freaking good. And why did I press the wrong button? It's already there. Okay. I made a boo boo, but we'll fix it later. I actually never tried this with that kind of texture, but we'll see. It might actually be something to do with the texture size, but we'll see. Okay, that's what I was afraid of. Yeah, that's not gonna work the way I want it to work. Might have to find another way to properly do this. I normally only use this for floors, so okay. I'm thinking, I should cut it out or pause it or whatever, but roll position, float, yada yada yada. Well, that's not gonna do anything super hot. So yeah, you're 30. Yeah, this is, I'm thinking. I'm rolling my balls off here because this is. I thought it might work, but I'm starting to really doubt it. So there must be a better way to do this, but I have no idea how. Because in theory it should work, but no. You'd think it would work, right? But it's close, but because that is the effect that you want, that's for sure. I have no idea why this is all stretched though. So your material ID might actually be the best way to achieve this. Or use vertex paint. Vertex paint might actually work. I can try that. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. 3 is max. This video is gonna take 5 times longer than I expected. Especially with all the stuff loading. Okay. Let's see, vertex color. Okay. Let's make that one blue. Wait, no, red. Okay, and same for this. Red. And then have these two. And make them green. Okay. I wonder if it works if I just weld them now, but touch, and it should work. Does mean that I need 2 textures now, but that's easily done. Let's see. This is the epic wall. Yeah, okay. And that wall corner, yes, I want to override it, okay. Re-import them. Hello? Okay. Let me just really quickly get the 2 textures I was using, because that one is now totally useless and totally used messing up your usage of time, but textures, base textures, brick. Copy here, and then the base one. Copy here. I have no idea what file types they are, but that shouldn't really matter. I'll make the normal maps later. Come on. Okay, importing at least works. This is base. I really wonder why it's doing this. Shoot me, right? That's as expected. And this is definitely not as expected. I have no idea why. Yeah, it's just fine and correct. Then okay, just in case, let me select the other mesh. I'm totally messing stuff up, and I'm hitting myself so much right now. Okay, it works on that one, of course. So what happens if I rotate this one? That works. Why does that work? It might have something to do with the normals and the tangents, actually. Could it be? I have no idea why it's doing this. Oh, there goes that idea. Yay! Time fucking well spent. Wait. Ah. This is the problem, and I'm gonna cry a little bit. Yes, it was the smoothing group. Okay, which of course here now is messed up. But now that I know that that was a problem, it saves me some time. Clear all. This one. It's gonna be swimming pool 1. Swimming pool 2. 3. 4. This is so much fun. Still sort of messed up, but one step closer. Yay. We made Vertex Colors, remember? A long time ago. The prequel. Okay, let's see. I think it was the wall that was red. Oh yeah, damn it. And if I'm correct, then why you no work? Did I read? Oh wait, of course. Where's the vertex color stuff? Replace vertex colors there. Import. Yes. Import. It should work. Why is it not working? Damn it. What the hell? Okay. Okay, those are still green. And those are still red. Maybe it works now. This thing does not like me. Of course, let's save the assets, because he has done so much stuff to it already. And the autosave is so freaking slow. Import, yada yada yada. There you go. And there's actually how it should look, sort of. Oh. Okay, ignore all this crap for now. That's basically just the same for everything. And now if I move it around, Yeah, I was kind of afraid of that. That's why I already mentioned that there should be a pillar there or something, because if you want to move it around and always keep it seamless. There will always be this issue. Okay, I'm gonna rethink this. I'll upload and probably make a better video later. Sorry about that.